I'm going to get started with GGplot here. And just as a matter of review, I'm going to read some data in and get this other one out here so you can see what happens. I'm going to read some data and I'm going to call it my data 1. I'm reading a CSV file called studentsurvey.csv. That's in quotes. And that file is located in the directory that I have selected right now, which is in my desktop. But to change that, session, set working directory, choose directory, and you can see that I have my desktop. If I wanted to go somewhere else, I could just go clip into different charts there and then just select and you'll have it. Okay, I'm going to reread that now. So it's in, and you have to attach, well, you don't have to attach it. If you don't want to refer to the data set every time you enter a new variable, then you need to attach it, which I'm doing. And we're going to use the library GGplot2. So this is the second main version of GGplot. And then here's just a basic plot in the form of GGplot. That's the name of the command. My data 1 is the name of the data set that I have. And then AES stands for aesthetics. I'm not sure why they call it that, but they do. X is equal to SAT, and Y is equal to GPA. What I'm going to do here is have a plot of GPA by SAT scores in a student survey. And then you have to tell it what you want to plot, and I want it to plot points. So it's geom underscore point with some parentheses after that. You can add some options into there if you want to. But here we go. And there it is. I have a plot of points with GPA on the y-axis and SAT on the x-axis. Just to show you here on point, I could have put line, and let's see what I would get now. That's what that would look like. You'd put a line there. You could put a box plot. Not a particularly pretty one, but there it is. You can do a histogram, but you can only do it for a variable called x. So if we wanted to do it for GPA, I'd take all of that out and just put geom histogram. There's many more geoms, but these are some that we'll work with right now. And there's your histogram. And that's just a brief startup on GGplot. Just reading the data, load the library, and just a basic plot here. I'm going to go back to what I had to begin with to get the plot there.